1961 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door sport coupe or two-door hardtop. 283 V8 underneath the hood, power steering. That's paired up with a Power Glide automatic transmission. Let's take a look at this front chrome, the grille, headlight surrounds. Now, this vehicle is going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price, and that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, paint shows well. This is originally an ermine white car, 936 paint code. You can reach us at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Kind of cool how they have the wheel cover with that center teal portion or turquoise portion to match the side stripe on this car. Speaking of turquoise, original color interior. It looks like it may be the original interior. If not, very error correct. Aftermarket stereo underneath the dash there, as you can see. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer, start it up, let you hear it run. You can see the side is nice and straight, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint shows well on it. Riding on those radial tires. The bright work looks good up and down the side of it too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the rear bumper. There's kind of a few little marks on it, but hey, nothing that's going to stop you from taking this car to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. It's got a good look to it. I also like to mention that we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a peek at this car for you, report back because maybe you can't make it because of distance or time restraints. Yeah, feel free to have a third-party inspector come check it out. We see those quite often. And take your time looking through all the still pictures. There'll be undersides, interior, engine bay, over 100 pictures of this car online at UniqueClassicCars.com. Yeah, there's just nothing that stands out as far as major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find an imperfection here and there. No, I noticed maybe a spot like on the door right there. Could use a little touch-up. I'm talking minor. Must have to really go looking for it. Might be a spot here or there like this on the bright work, but boy, that's getting really finicky. Try to find something on this car. Rear seat. Free of rips, tears, holes. Really much wear at all. And you'll be able to see the undersides of the doors in the still pictures. You'll see the VIN plate close up. You're going to see the data tag underneath the hood. You're going to see the carpeting underneath the floor mats, all in the still pictures. And we try to represent these cars as fairly as we can with all the pictures taken, and walk around video and a driving video also. Should be able to see what it's like to take this car down the road. Headliner good. All right, I did have the wipers work. What brand was it? Jensen, I believe it was. Yes, underneath the dash, that AM/FM CD player does work. It's fired up. Something kind of fun in this car too right here is an air horn that's set up underneath the hood, and it could be disconnected if you didn't want it, but hey, why not? That'll make some people jump at car shows or get them the you know what out of your way. Again, the stereo is working down here. Top of the dash looks good. Good sounding. V8 underneath the hood. Again, it's that 283 paired up with a Power Glide. Listen to this. A little old school hot rod rumble to that. All right, You slip up to the front here. It's going to take me 2 hands to get this hood open. Let me pause this a second. Let's check out the engine bay and wrap this up. Underside of the hood, clean and tidy. Here's the engine bay. Remember, power steering equipped, 283. Automatic transmission. Here's kind of that, like I said, the air horn setup. This could be removed with these brackets and taken off if you didn't want it. You don't have to keep it underneath there, but we're going to leave it on there because why not? It's fun. Next owner of this car might want to blast it a few times. Might come in handy, you never know. Battery disconnect here if you have it in storage, you don't drive it every day and you want to take it out from time to time. Make sure the battery's up by disconnecting that. 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door Sport Coupe, or 2-door hardtop you hear them called. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. Consult with your sales associate. It may be extendable up to 10 years. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air. Teal colored interior and white on the exterior. Factory bench seats. This is an automatic on the column. Our fuel gauge is working, reading just under half. Our temperature gauge is also working and reading a quarter of the gauge. Our turn signal indicator does function. Speedometer is working. Power steering working well. It's a smooth ride on this car. If I let go of the steering wheel, it stays nice and straight. It's not pulling either direction. Under the dash we have a Jensen aftermarket radio that is working well. Our brakes are also working well. Our windshield wipers are functioning. Corners as you'd expect for a 61 Chevrolet. Good throttle response from this car. The kick down is working. Very comfortable, fun to drive. 1961 Chevy Bel Air. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.